Meaning of inhumanely.
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 Inhumanely. Inhumanely refers to actions that are cruel, brutal, or lacking in compassion towards humans or animals. Such actions may also be considered unethical or immoral. In the context of animal welfare, for example, inhumane treatment can include neglect, physical abuse, and confinement in cramped spaces. The consequences of inhumane behavior can be devastating. For animals, it can result in physical harm, stress, and even death. For humans, it can lead to emotional trauma, guilt, and legal consequences. Inhumane practices can also damage reputations and result in loss of revenues for businesses. Overall, inhumane actions are unacceptable and must be avoided in all situations.